happy birthday, Sophia. Happy birthday, Sophia.
Make it pass na. Quickly. You do homework now.
Okay.
Guys, paluto tayo ng balloon. Balloon.
Dad.
Give me the other one, plastic, please. The other one, the green color. Pass me here. Give me. Thank you. Now you do your homework. You do your homework today.
Dad.
I said quickly, you do your homework, please. You do homework quickly. Quickly na you do homework, please, Sophia. Paluto tayo ng balon, mga love.
Dad, balloon.
Balon.
Mommy, write the text of house. That's house.
Write the name of any 6 type of the house. What type of the house?
I know.
Cottage,
Hut,
bungalow, building.
Wait, I will build.
Chicken. Chito. Chito, 6. Write 6.
I did my book.
Check in the book in the top of the down in the table. Quickly. You found? Ito ang ano guys, itong matagal yung pagkakubo. Oh, special siya. Ito ang aking nalobo. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ay, mamaya. Ito siya mamaya. I-arrange ko ulit. Balikan ko kayo. Guys, tingnan nyo guys. Alauna na guys. Oh, sa wakas. Last na lang itong ribbon guys. Ayan na ang boses ko guys. Wala na akong boses. Kasi ambisyosa ang nanay. Gusto matry ang anak. Ayan, ganyan na guys. Diba? Kunin natin to kasi sayang noon kapag binili ko din to siya. Para at least mag-uniform siya. Wala na. Lagay ko lang to kalawit ganyan. Bahala na si Batman. Ma-appreciate na to ni Sophia guys. Natulog na aking mag-ama guys, pero ako gising pandewa ko. Mamaya na naman gigising na naman ako ng 5 o'clock kasi magluto. Kasi yung mga relatives naman lang ang kasi papunta dito guys. Mga lola niya. Yun lang. Hindi ka at least lang pang thanks na good health. Ayan. Ito lang kabalianan ko guys. Naantok na kaya ako. Laban pa rin. Laban Japan. Ay, nako. Ito, hindi nyo ba alam everyday. Since nag-birthday yung daddy niya. When is my birthday? Tapos everyday gising siya. Ano na mami? What is the date today? Today's December? No, not yet. And then sabi ko, hindi pa. October pa lang. Tapos sabi, oh my God, when is my birthday? Why is too much? Magdakdak na yan siya, guys. Ngayon, habang naglalagay ako ng balon, Diyos ko, ang tagal natulog, guys. Panay nagmariritis sa akin kung ano ginagawa ko. Sabi ko, matulog ka na para bukas fresh ka. Sabi niya, I will help you, mami ko. Don't help me. Mami is ano. Hindi ba, guys? Sa wakas. O, diba? O, DIY. O, diba? May buki si Sofia. Alam niyo ba to? Sa kapitbahay namin. Ito sa kapitbahay. Ito sa restaurant. Kasi bumili kami. Tapos nilagay ko doon. Diba? Kasi plano ko sana bumili ng rose, hindi na kasi may nakita akong pink doon sa kapitbahay. Kaya, di ba? Para-paraan lang talaga, guys. Tcharing! Ang ganda ng bouquet ni Sofia. Tapos plus card pa siya, o di ba? Meron na siyang 200 pesos. Okay lang 'yan. Continue ta ulit, guys. Thank you so much. Hello guys, midnight na guys. Gawa tayo ng money bouquet kay Sophia. 10 rupees guys dito sa Nepal. Money. Kasi na-home party na ni Sophia. Nakalimutan ko pa anong tawag to? Stick. Kaya ang gawin ko na lang, i-tape ko na lang. Meron akong doon, stick. Ay! Nakalimutan kong magdala. Ay, nako. Ulirain na talaga, guys. Kaya gawin ko na lang, ganito ko na lang. Hopefully, it will worth it. Or is ito na lang kaya sa pencil niya. For the meantime. Nakalimutan ko talaga. Okay naman siguro to guys, no? Ganun nga lang. Ay, nako. Meron ako nakalimutan ko kung hanip tong ina na to Nakuha ako ng flower, guys. Nakuha ako ng flower sa kapitbahay. Diba? Pencil color. Sila na bahala niyan, basta at least merong si Sophia Hot, diba? Unahin ko na lang para maramihan, para isahang dikit na lang ba, diba? Bahala na si Batman. Ganon na lang. Nakalimutan ko talaga. Gusto ko mag-try ni Sophia na paano mga 10 rupees lang guys, sa peso pa is 5 rupees, 5 pesos. Hindi ba? Kasi sabi niya, Mami, why this one like this, like this, like that, like this, like this. Puro yan siya, Ayan. Kasi barbecue stick sana mas maganda. Pero okay na yan. Balikan ko kayo guys, ha? Look guys, finally, I did it. Oh my God. I make it the stand balloon. Oh my God, the struggle is real guys. Time check here is 11:30. Kanina pa ako, paano, how, to do. Now, finally, nakatayo na siya. Kasi nakalimutan ko bumili ng number niya, kaya ginawa ko, pinalagyan ko na lang, pinasulatan ko ng aking asawa. Kasi 6 years old na si Sophia. Ayan. In fairness, maganda din naman, DIY. Diba? Ang ganda, guys. Oh my God! First time kong gumawa nito. First time I make it this. Ay, nako. Diba? Happy lang kasi happy ang bata. At saka ipakita ko sa inyo, guys. Kasi si Sophia, sabi niya, before siya matulog, sabi niya, Daddy, make me also card. Tapos nakalimutan min gumawa. Itong ginawa namin. Ano to siya? What is this? That banner card. Tapos ang ginawa ng ama, nag-drawing na siya. Iko, sige, ganunin mo na, mag-DIY na lang tayo kasi wala nang oras, wala nang ano. Ayan, tapos, ayan. Kasi paborito ng si Pia, iba-iba yung ano niya talaga, guys. Drawing ng kanyang daddy. Kasi paborito niya ito, ito na naman, banana na yan. At saka ito. Kaya ayun, natulog na siya, kakatulog lang niya ngayon. Kanina ang kulit-kulit habang nag-aano ko ng lubo at nag-design ako dito. Ayan, tingnan mo. May pinagmanahan talaga si Sofia kasi ako hindi ako marunong mag-drawing, guys. Ay, naku, wala ako sa ganyan. Ang ganda, di ba? Nagamit namin ng card. Di ba? Para-paraan lang talaga. Basta happy ang mga kiddos. Yan, go. Happy birthday, Sofia! Tomorrow, Sofia birthday. I love you, baby. Always be kind and good and always do prayer. God is with you always. I love you. Happy 6 years old, Sofia. Hello, mga my loves. Tingnan mo, my loves. 1:30 na katatapos ko lang mag-decorate. Laban Japan. Ito, tingnan nyo, nilagay ko nito. Ang motif ni Sofia, pink at saka white. Pero may mga mix nut na yan na rainbow. Ayan. Happy birthday, Sofia. May God bless you always, my love. Be kind and always be smart. Study hard. See guys, para-paraan lang talaga guys. Kasi nakalimutan ko bumili ng number 6. And then finally I make it the stand balloon. At least soon, when she grow up, she will remember, she will see all what is her mother doing. Now, my husband and Sophie still sleeping. See, look, time. Nandito pa ang mother, guys. Mamaya naman 5 o'clock. Nag-alarm na ako because we need to cook. Guys, in fairness, ang aking money bouquet. Diba? Ayun, may money bouquet siya. I told you that may, lang. Sa yung flower, ang ganda. Fresh. Hindi ko yan binili, guys. Ito naman, because Sophia said, Daddy, make sure you make me card. And then my husband told, oh my God, I forgot. And then, ayan, meron naman sa happy birthday na card. Ayun. Ito yan siya. Kaya, para hindi ma-upset si Sofia, ginawa kong ganito. Tapos mag-draw ka na lang kung ano favorite ni Sofia. Tsereng! Si Sofia at saka daddy niya talagang magaling mag-draw. Ako wala talaga ako. Hindi ako marunong mag-draw, guys. Doktor ang ano ko. Tingnan nyo. Happy 6th birthday, Sofia. Mommy and Daddy love you so much. God bless you. Kasi ito niyang gusto niya, guys. Nakita yata niya sa TV. Sabi niya, banana. Wala namang banana dito sa Nepal na ganyan. Laruan. Yan talagang gusto niya. Before, gusto niya mini, Hello Kitty nga. Iba na naman, Yan nga sa cake niya. Ewan ko kung meron ba yan. Tsaka ito, unicorn. Diba? Ang ganda. Kaya, nilagay ko dito para pag gising niya, ma-surprise siya. Para-paraan lang talaga, guys. Diba? Nakarating din sa Nepal ang money bouquet. Ginagay, matutulog na ako. I-update na kayo ulit. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless us all. Diba? Ito lang simple na ni Sofia Joy. Happy birthday, anak. Thank you so much. Be kind. Love you all. Happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. See, this is the bouquet flower of Sofia Joy. Today, she is 6 years old. May God bless you more with a good health, And then be happy. Always be happy and kind. We love you so much. Mommy and Daddy love you so, so much. I love you, my love. And here you go. Here is bouquet of Sophia. And then here you go, the Sophia. Yan. Time check, 6 o'clock. Now, gising na naman si Ina. Happy birthday, my love. I love you. Wait na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Dan ating video. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sophia. May God bless you. May the God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sophia. Oh, look, Daday, oh, Daday. Oh, hold this, Daday. Hold Mama Net because Mama Net also take video. Oh, happy birthday. Like this, do. Oh, happy birthday, Sophia. Happy birthday, Sophia. Here, Sophia's 6th birthday. Now, she is 6th birthday here. Oh, say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, and then after that, she has, I make it here, found the, what they call this one?
Candy.
Candy. Oh, cool, Ama and Baba will take picture inside.
Mama, Baba. Oh.
See, here we go, the Sophia. Ano. And then here you go. Happy birthday, my love. God bless you more. And then together with my family is here chatting. Weird. Thank you. Sige na, first. Oh, tolo.
Happy birthday, Sophia! Yay! Kuya Archie! Ate Scarlett!
Thank you, Dancy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Say thank you so much, no?
Thank you so much,
Everyone.
everyone.
Thank you so much,
Happy.
everyone. Now with grandmother and grandfather, Baba and Mommy with Sophia. Hi, Sophia. Say thank you, Aman Baba coming.
Thank you. And tita muna wake up, sir.
Oh, soon sa perceive Ama and
Wake up.
Lala, she will come. Oh. Thank you. Oh, Mommy, smell, Mommy. And somebody can see the Baba. Baba's very handsome and my mother-in-law. They're both. Baba, when he's already young, he's very handsome. So, Mommy, no? Baba very young. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sophia. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sophia. Yay! She's afraid. Maybe it's one. Blow. Make a wish and blow. Yay! Where's the flapper? That ano?
Here.
Eh, wait.
Katago yun. Yay! Kusya-syap yan. Direct na to in the... Yay! Happy birthday, Sophia! Yay! Baka rin Amal. Nanit, Popo. Popo, where are you? Mommy. Daddy, you cut yun. No, at least your popo is coming now. Smile. Happy birthday!
Lagi tu tadi.
Here.
Mami put cookie.
Sano ni sa because otherwise ka. Doon tas na. Yeah, keep it there.
Happy birthday.
Say thank you. Thank you. Nagana ba? Iksinin na kasi. Ama, grandma will give you the ano. Iksinin na si Baba will give you ano.
Mak naik dinda, mak dia nanti.
Look up here, my cat.
Iksinin na kasi give to Baba. Na, daki ko ni si keep it. Give Baba small. Ita. Come. Give this one sa ano, Baba. Give to Baba in the mouth of Baba. Give to Baba. Give the mouth to Baba. Oh, give the.
Amane jere kuli halu na.
Kana go.
Aku ke bana ni tu.
Na hadjo ko. Oh, mami. Who you eat already? My God, this girl.
You and
Happy birthday. Thulo unu de re pannu lo.
Nadana ba na thank you. Hadjo ko, mami. Mami. Ayun,
Allah इसको दिमाग में
ada
डाल देना जी.
Hapap na to. Thank you.
Hai.
Thank you.
Te on lagi.
Ada.
Ada hai tu.
Later na you open. Oh my God. You excited to open here? Excited to open it. Give.
Oh.
Wow. Yay. You say thank you?
Thank you mana?
Thank you, Bana. Thank you. Nabatal din.